Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at S&P 500 futures. Today is Sunday, November 5th. Time is around 1 p.m. GMT. So first, I'm planning to change my upload habit schedule. So now I'm making 5 to 6 analysis a day, and this is actually a bit too much. It takes quite a lot of time to do all this. So now I'm planning to do 2 to 3 analysis a day, to upload 2 to 3 analysis each day. And yeah, I will prioritize based on some important movements in the market for one index, an important wave count change for an index. So I think you will still have a lot of information, but 5 to 6 uploads a day became a bit too much. So I propose we continue like this. So 2 to 3 analysis a day. And I will focus, of course, on the most important indices, be it the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the DAX. But I will still also pay attention to the Nikkei, the Dow Jones, and the FTSE. Okay, that being said, let's have a look here in the weekly time frame. So my take on the S&P 500 is that we did a wave 1 up right here. We came down as a wave 2, perfect reaction here from the zero point 0.5 FIB retracement level. And so now we might be working here on the wave 3. So this looks very bullish, but of course this is not for tomorrow. We should go there in 5 waves. Excuse me. And I believe there are now, I'm considering 2 scenarios actually. So one scenario inspired by the Dow Jones, let's say, and one scenario following the Nasdaq. So in the Dow Jones, I think we made a wave 1 right here, or we made some kind of high right here, and this is reflected in the S&P by the scenario in red. That would mean that we have a wave 1 high right here, and that we are now working on the wave 2. So that's a possibility. However, if we follow the Nasdaq, then this here would be a wave 3 high. We did a wave 4. We cannot go lower anymore. Otherwise, this would not be a wave 4. And a fifth wave will follow to finish this wave 1. And then we will pull back as a wave 2. So these are the 2 scenarios I'm considering. I know they are quite different. While the scenario in green assumes that we will take out this high and make a new high, the scenario in red assumes that we will see further downside into this area. But for the moment, I believe both scenarios are equally valid in the higher time frame. What we have to do is to analyze the lower time frame, in my opinion, and based on the lower time frame, we can start to make a decision of which scenario exactly will play out, or which scenario we favor. So if we now look here on the daily, so this is what I just explained. If we would follow the Nasdaq scenario, then what we have is 3 waves up. Here, this is the wave 4 area. We came down as a wave 4. Then this corrective structure here is a triple tree correction, a W, X, Y, X, Z structure. We reached the extreme boundary of the wave 4. And so now from here, we started our wave 5. So wave 5 taking out wave 3 to make a new high, but also this one should go in an impulse in 5 waves. And so this here could be the start of the wave 5. The other scenario, where we have a wave 1 right here, if our wave 1 high is located right here, then I would count this as 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making a wave A low, and now working on the wave B. So then this here is our wave B area. We already reached the wave B area, but then after the wave B, we should see another impulse down, a wave C down into this area, into the wave 2 area. So if we look here at the 4-hour time frame, this is what we actually see, what I just explained. So the W, X, Y, X, Z structure. So a triple tree correction here. We reached the extreme boundary of the wave 4. So if we take out this low, it means we cannot have a wave 4 anymore. So the scenario in green would be invalidated. And then we are actually, for sure working here on the scenario in red. And so now, okay, from this low, we had a very strong reaction up. So that could favor the scenario where the wave 4 low is in. But don't forget, a wave B is a corrective structure. So for a wave B, we can have a zigzag like as an A, B, C up. So then as a wave A, we actually, wave A is also an impulse 5 waves up. So for now, what we have here can as well be counted as a wave 1, as a wave A. So this is something we should further monitor. If we go to the 1 hour, let's have a closer look at this structure here. So for now, it looks like the structure is not complete. Not complete in the sense that if we expect 5 waves, so for the bullish case, the case where, or the scenario where the wave 4 low is in right here, the structure does not look complete. We still need a 4 and a 5. I would say this is only 3 so far, in my opinion. You could count it like maybe like this, but I do not really like this count. For me, this here is like an internal wave 3 of this wave 3. Like divergence is not really outspoken. What I would like to see here is actually indeed this like finishing right now or very soon. Then some kind of pullback as a wave 4, breaking the RSI trend line here down, and then another push up here as a fifth wave. But we end here with divergence. So that would be like a mature impulse right now. If this plays out here, like I just described in green, but for now, I would only count this as 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it could actually be an ABC structure, so just corrective structure, and an ABC would still fit here in the wave B scenario. The wave 3 waves from here as an ABC does not fit in the wave 4 scenario, where the wave 4 is made right here, but 3 waves would fit in the wave B scenario. Then we could have like in 3, 1, 2, 3. This could then be wave W, wave X down, 1, 2, 3, and then again wave Y up in 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the wave B would be finished. So for the S&P, what's important in my opinion, or what we should look for, is do we get here a wave 4 and a 5? If we do not get a wave 4 and a 5, that would mean that the wave 4 low is probably not in right here. If we would get a 4 and a 5 here, that would increase the chances that we have our wave 4 low in right here. But even if we have a wave 4 and a 5 right here, it could still mean that we are doing an A, B, C as a corrective wave B. So this is what we have to monitor in the S&P 500. Do we get this fourth and fifth wave? And this would already help us with further interpretation or further forecast, like forecasting the S&P 500. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video about S&P 500. Have a nice day. Bye bye.